We always tell people to plan their trips backwards to take more trips, but what does this mean? Let me show you. So the first way to do this is by going to Google Flights and then clicking Explore. You'll put your home airport here, but you don't have to put an end destination or the dates. And then when you look at the map, it'll show you the cheapest places to fly to from your departing airport. Planning your trips backwards means that we're prioritizing price over place. So we're not going into this with a destination already picked out or dates already picked out. We are flexible and we are going to find the place that is the cheapest to fly to. These are the prices of what it costs from my departing airport to get to Europe. And although I may have been interested in Amsterdam or Paris, those are in the 600s, so I'm gonna save that for another time because I know I've seen cheaper. And so from this list, I can see that Dublin is pretty cheap. It's $496 round trip. So I'll click on that. And then on the left, it'll show you the airline and the price. And then up here, it'll show you the dates for that trip. And you can play around with it to see if you can extend or find dates that work better for you. Another way to do this is by going to the Going website and signing up for the limited free membership. And then clicking Let Us Choose. And you'll be able to see from New York City to Cuba, it costs $302, and we'll let you know the dates up here and then tell you the airline and how long this deal will last. Another way to do this is by